Windows Command Prompt. It looks old school, but it hides some powerful tools that feel almost illegal when you first see them. Don't worry, these are 100% legitimate. Here are 5 CMD commands that feel illegal, but aren't, and what they actually do. First up, IP protocol configuration/all. Type it and you'll instantly see your computer's full network details, IP addresses, DNS servers, MAC addresses, and more. It feels like peeking behind the curtain of your network, but it's simply diagnostic info that helps you fix connection problems or verify your network settings. Number 2, Netstat-ANO. This one lists every active network connection and the process IDs behind them. Suddenly you can spot suspicious connections or figure out which app is talking to the internet. It sounds hackerish, but it's a forensic tool admins use every day to troubleshoot network issues. Third, Task List, and its cousin taskkill/PID number/F, use carefully. Task List shows every running process on your PC. Want to force close a frozen program? Taskkill lets you do that by PID. It feels like terminating a program from inside the machine's guts, because you are. But it's a safe way to regain control when apps hang. Fourth, SFC/ScanNow. Short for System File Checker, this command scans Windows system files and repairs corrupt or missing ones automatically. It's incredible to watch Windows heal itself, almost like a magic patch. Use it when your PC acts spuddy. It often fixes deep issues without reinstalling the OS. Finally, Power/Battery Report on laptops. Run it, and Windows generates a detailed battery health report you can open in a browser. It reveals design capacity, current capacity, and usage history. It feels invasive, like reading your battery's diary, but it's invaluable when you need to know whether your laptop battery is dying. Quick safety tip: these commands are diagnostic and repair tools. They won't delete your personal files. Still, always run them as an administrator when required, and don't run unfamiliar commands copied from random places. Try these 5 today, and you'll start seeing your PC like a pro, powerful, transparent, and surprisingly fixable. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.